Hello, curious minds. Today we're going on an exciting adventure to discover what makes artificial intelligence, or AI, so special. Imagine a world where computers can think, learn, and help us solve problems, just like a helpful robot friend. We'll break down the technology behind AI in a way that's super easy to understand. So get ready for a journey filled with fun graphics, cool animations, and lots of amazing facts. Let's dive into the world of AI and see how it all works, step by step. AI stands for artificial intelligence. But what does that mean? Well, it's when computers or machines are designed to do things that usually need human smarts, like recognizing faces, playing games, or even talking to us. Think of AI as a super smart helper that can learn new things and get better over time. It's like having a robot buddy who can solve puzzles and answer questions. AI is all around us, from our phones to video games, making life easier and more fun. Every AI needs a brain, and that brain is a computer. Just like our brains help us think and remember, computers help AI learn and make decisions. Inside a computer, there are tiny parts called chips that work super fast to solve problems. These chips help AI understand what's happening and figure out what to do next. So, whenever you see AI in action, remember there's a computer brain working hard behind the scenes. AI learns just like we do. When we practice math or learn to ride a bike, we get better over time. AI uses something called machine learning to practice and improve. It looks at lots of information, tries different things, and remembers what works best. The more it practices, the smarter it gets. So AI is always learning, just like you when you try new things. Just like we need food to grow, AI needs data to learn. Data is information like pictures, words, or numbers. The more data AI gets, the better it can learn and make smart choices. For example, if you show AI lots of pictures of cats and dogs, it can learn to tell them apart. Data helps AI understand the world and become more helpful every day. AI has something called a neural network. This is like a web of tiny connections, just like the neurons in our brains. These networks help AI think and solve problems. Each connection passes information along, helping AI figure out answers step by step. Neural networks are what make AI so good at recognizing things, like faces in photos or voices in recordings. Have you ever wondered how AI can tell what's in a picture? It uses special programs to look at all the tiny dots, called pixels, in an image. By studying lots of pictures, AI learns to spot patterns, like the shape of a cat's ears or the color of a dog's fur. This helps AI recognize what's in a photo and even sort pictures into different groups. AI can also understand and talk to us. When you ask your smart speaker a question, it listens to your words and figures out what you mean. This is called natural language processing. AI learns how people talk, so it can answer questions, tell jokes, or even help with homework. It's like having a friendly robot who always listens. Do you know that AI is behind many of your favorite video games? It helps game characters move, make decisions, and even learn from how you play. This makes games more fun and challenging. Next time you play a game, remember that AI is working hard to make your adventure exciting and unique every time. AI isn't just in games, it's also in your home. Smart assistants like Alexa or Siri use AI to answer questions, play music, and even control lights. These help us make life easier by listening to your commands and doing tasks for you. With AI, your home can be smarter and more fun. AI is also helping students and teachers in schools. It can help grade homework, suggest learning activities, and even answer questions. Some apps use AI to help you practice math or learn a new language. With AI, learning becomes more fun and personalized for everyone. Have you seen cars that can drive themselves? That's AI at work. Self-driving cars use AI to watch the road, follow traffic rules, and keep everyone safe. They use cameras and sensors to see what's around them and make smart decisions. AI is making transportation safer and more exciting for the future. Robots are some of the coolest examples of AI. Some robots can walk, talk, and even play games. They use AI to understand what's happening around them and decide what to do next. Robots can help clean your room, build things, or even explore space. With AI, robots are becoming more helpful every day. Do you know AI can create art? Some programs use AI to draw pictures, paint, or even write music. By learning from lots of examples, AI can make beautiful and creative works. Artists and musicians use AI to get new ideas and make their work even more amazing. AI is a creative helper too. Doctors use AI to help take care of patients. AI can look at medical pictures, help diagnose illnesses, and suggest treatments. This helps doctors make better decisions and keep people healthy. With AI, healthcare is becoming faster and more accurate, helping save lives every day. When you shop online, AI helps suggest products you might like. It looks at what you've bought before and finds similar items. This makes shopping easier and more fun. AI can even help stores keep track of what's in stock and make sure you get your orders on time. Scientists use AI to study animals, plants, and the environment. AI can help track endangered species, predict weather, and even find ways to protect our planet. By using AI, we can learn more about nature and find better ways to take care of the Earth. Just like we learn from our mistakes, AI does too. When AI gets something wrong, it tries again and learns what to do better next time. This is called training. The more AI practices, the smarter it becomes. So making mistakes is just part of learning for both humans and AI. It's important to make sure AI is safe and helpful. Scientists and engineers work hard to test AI and make sure it follows rules. They teach AI to be careful and make good choices, just like we learn to be safe when crossing the street. Safety is always a top priority with AI technology. AI works best when it teams up with people. Together, humans and AI can solve big problems like finding new medicines or exploring space. AI helps us by doing things quickly, while people use creativity and experience. Teamwork makes everything possible. AI is everywhere. From your phone to your favorite TV shows, AI helps make life easier and more fun. It helps you find answers, play music, and even suggest what to watch next. AI is becoming a helpful part of our daily routines. Internet is a big place, and AI helps us find what we need. Search engines use AI to show the best results, and social media uses AI to suggest friends or videos. With AI, the internet becomes easier to explore and more fun to use. AI can use a lot of information, so it's important to protect our privacy. Engineers make sure that AI follows rules and keeps our data safe. Just like you lock your diary, AI keeps your information private and secure. AI isn't just smart, it can be creative too. It can help write stories, compose music, and even design cool graphics. Artists and creators use AI as a tool to bring their ideas to life in new and exciting ways. AI is even used in sports. Coaches use AI to study games, plan strategies, and help athletes improve. AI can track player movements and suggest ways to play better. With AI, sports become more exciting and competitive. Have you heard music made by AI? Some programs can compose songs, play instruments, and even sing. Musicians use AI to create new sounds and experiment with different styles. AI is making music more fun and creative than ever before. AI helps meteorologists predict the weather. By looking at lots of data, AI can spot patterns and help forecast rain, sunshine, or storms. This helps us plan our days and stay safe during bad weather. AI is helping scientists explore space. Robots with AI can travel to distant planets, collect samples, and send information back to Earth. AI helps plan missions and solve problems far away from home. With AI, the universe is full of possibilities. AI is always changing and getting better. In the future, AI might help us discover new things, solve big problems, and make life even more amazing. Scientists and engineers are working hard to make sure AI is safe, helpful, and fun for everyone. Now that you know how AI works, imagine what you could do with it. Maybe you'll invent a new robot friend, create amazing art, or help protect the planet. The world of AI is full of possibilities, and your ideas can help shape the future. Keep learning, stay curious, and who knows what you'll discover next.